Hey folks, welcome back to the homestead. So we are out here today working again on the fish pond. Today we have a little bit of an interesting project. We are installing one of these guys. Do you know what this is? Ever seen one of these? This is a float valve, a ball float valve, and its purpose is to kind of maintain the water level in the pond so that when I take water away or water evaporates, it fills it back up, and it fills it only to a certain level and no more after that. So there's been a few instances in the past where I've left the hose on and overfilled it too much, and that causes real problems for the fish. So this is going to help to prevent that from ever happening again. Now, we got a little helper here today.
Hey guys.
And the two of us are working on the project. Let me show you how this is going. Alright, so you can see here that we have installed one of our Boogie Blue filters.
Boogie Blue.
Yeah, Boogie Blue filters here. And I just went ahead and mounted it to the wall. And down below...
I did.
That's right, you did a lot of it. Alright, so you can see here that we mounted the Boogie Blue filter to the wall here. That's going to remove all the chlorine, chloramine, anything like that before the water goes into the fish pond. Then we attached a splitter so that I can run a garden hose off of here and have then my piping going to the pond for the autofill. Additionally, off the splitter, I put an angle connector so that everything is not going way out at angles, but going straight down. That just keeps things cleaner. All right, and then the boy here has gone ahead and started working on putting in the plumbing to run that back up, and we'll go right over the top of here and into the fish pond. All right, so we're gonna keep working on this and we'll come back in a few minutes.
Hey guys, well, we're here again with this. As you can see, we just got done with this part. Now it's time to glue it all up.
What do we gotta do before we glue it?
Test it.
That's right, we gotta test it. So, we gotta turn the hose on there. Okay, we got to open the valve here. All right, now the way this works is that if the water's too low, this ball is going to be setting down too low in here. It's going to open this valve up, and when the valve is open, it's going to start letting water in like you see. As the water level rises, the ball will raise, and that'll shut the water off, like so. So here's where a little bit of tinkering has to come in. I know my water level right now is just a little bit lower than where I want it to be, but the ball right now has to come up too high for it to stop. So it needs tinkering. This thing's coming on down here.
That's how you gotta glue it, right? Yeah. Let's come back after the glue. No.
One of our pipes came loose down here. I had to shut the water off and reset it. We don't have it glued yet. We're just testing. But all right, so and I went ahead and changed the angle of the ball a little bit. So now let's see what this does. At what level it'll shut off. So the level that I have it at there to where it'll shut off seems to me like a more appropriate level. What? Ah! Water came down again. All right, let's try this again. Good. Seems to be whenever I close it off here, the pressure builds up. Ah! See, right there. Darn things. All right, we may have to glue it before we can do all of our testing. I guess if we get all of those glued up, they're not really going to change. It's just this part up here that's going to change. You laughing at me? You laughing at me?
I'm just sad.
All right. Well, guess what you get to do? You get to learn how to glue pipes. All right. All right, we'll get these glued up and we'll come back. All right, so we got it all finished up. It is now set in the water. I'll show you around here. Okay. So let's review what we did. So attached the Boogie Blue to the wall here. We have a splitter
with some angles coming off, angle connectors, and now we can leave these open all the time and then just adjust it from here. Got our regular garden hose connected there, and then off of that comes the auto filler. Goes up and around through here and down to here. And now the way this is going to work is when I take water out because I'm cleaning my filters or just through evaporation, the water level starts to fall. It needs to be refilled. I don't need to grab the garden hose, right? This will just, when this ball falls because the water level's falling, it starts to refill. As the water level rises and pushes the ball up, it shuts off automatically. Okay? And you can see that I have it running right up against the wall rather than out here into the pond. And I just did that so that it's out of the way, less likely to get bumped by a fish or by me if I'm doing something around the pond here. So this is just one thing that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I wish I would have done it sooner. It would have saved me a lot of trouble. Not just the hassle of getting the hose out and getting it in there, but a few times I have forgotten to shut that hose off, and that can cause real problems for you. So this will be a lifesaver going forward. All right. I will put a link to where you can get this one down in the description box. Let me grab something else real fast. All right. I had originally gotten this one. This one, I thought it was going to be better because it's brass, it's heavier and all that. Well, it just, it has a problem, a real problem, is that it doesn't close entirely. Now, this may be just the way that this one was made. Maybe there's other ones of them that do work, but other people in the comments from where I got it said the same thing. Additionally, the threads on here are not standard size threads. So I would suggest don't get this kind here. Go for the one that I got or something similar. I'll put a description where I got it down below. Quick disclosure, it's from Amazon and I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you do get it from my link, I will get a small commission for that. I'll put that there just for your convenience, and then you can choose how to get it wherever you like. There's also some other ones that you can get which look a little different. They're a different style. They're not the ball style. You can get those as well. It just depends on what kind of setup you have. They're meant to sit over the edge, like if they were going to set over the lip of this and be mounted right there. That doesn't work for my setup, but they do work right there. Used a lot in cattle feeders and things like that. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative and helpful. If you did, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you think that I've earned your subscription, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.